Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn off OK Google Assistant on your Android device in late 2020 or early 2021. So first, let's go back to your home screen and then swipe down at the top, and we're going to tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on Google. Then in Google, tap on account services. So tap on account services, then tap on search assistant and voice, then tap on Google Assistant, and then we want to go down and tap on general. So tap on general. Next, tap on Google Assistant switch to turn it off, and that's it. So now we have switch off Google Assistant. So when you say OK Google or Hey Google, it will not pop up anymore, and that's it. So that's how you can turn it off on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.